I'm here at The Rock where we spoke with Athletic Director Jeff Hammond on his plans to fill the stadium. I'm Amber Travis here at the Hattiesburg Family Health Center where HIV tests are administered for free Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Topping our national headlines this morning, President Obama went to Connecticut Monday to make another push for gun control legislation. The president was introduced by a mother who lost her 6-year-old son in the Sandy Hook school shooting. He told the crowd that he is as determined as ever to do what must be done. The staff at the Harrison County Jail work hard to keep contraband out of the jail, but the warden says about once a month, inmates manage to get hold of tobacco, prescription pills, marijuana, or spice. He said detainees are searched, but sometimes they are able to sneak it in, or they will leave it in a holding cell where inmate workers clean. A family drama that's been getting a lot of media attention is over. A couple who lost parental rights allegedly kidnapped their 2 children from their grandparents who live in Tampa, Florida. They boarded a boat and sailed to Cuba early this morning. In a news conference with the grandparents, U.S. officials announced the parents and the 2 boys are now on their way back home. Mississippi will add terrorism to the list of crimes that could lead to the death penalty. His office says Governor Phil Bryant intends to sign a bill that makes that change effective July 1st. Prosecutors can pursue the death penalty if a victim is killed, while certain other felonies are committed, crimes such as rape or robbery. The new law will add terrorism to the list. The bill was sponsored by State Senator Chris McDaniel of Ellisville. According to SafeRoutesPartnership.org, in 2009, 23,000 children were injured and 250 killed by cars while walking or bicycling. The 15-mile-per-hour speed limit is enforced during school hours at Grace Christian Elementary School in Hattiesburg, Mississippi, but parents think drivers ignore it. Tina Rodriguez walks her son to and from school each day and is worried about the safety of the students.
Traffic is real bad. People just fly down the road regardless of what you tell them. Even with the crossing guard being there, they still don't care.
Rodriguez feels the presence of officers will slow down traffic.
I feel they should have a cop on duty every morning, just like they have at Rowan and the rest of the other schools, because people do not follow the 15-mile-per-hour sign.
But is the traffic any better in the afternoon? Parent Jaleesa Bambry agrees with Rodriguez and says drivers ignore the posted 15-mile-per-hour signs.
People will always speed through here, even though they do have the signs up.
Bambry believes young children should walk to school with an adult.
You know, if you're not going to walk with your child, drop them off, because this is a busy street.
Speeders could face a $130 fine. The fine increases based on the driver's speed. Hattiesburg Motor Officer Chad Young says he strongly enforces the reduced speed limit.
We definitely strongly enforce that in school zones. Right now the schools are posted at about 15 miles an hour during school hours. We usually get in their school zones and we enforce those pretty heavily.
Parents sometimes drop their children off and pick them up in the street.
I wouldn't advise any parent to drop their kid off in the street. If you're going to take them to school, take them all the way to school.
The city of Hattiesburg encourages kids to walk to school, but also strongly encourages parents to walk with them. Officer Young advises that parents do teach their kids the safety precautions when using the crosswalks. I'm Amber Travis with Hub City TV.